Hey, what's up YouTube? And what's up LEGO fans and the LEGO community? My name is Lasse and this is the city of Glumsfield. And guess what? It's a snow day here in Sweden, in the southwest. My kids will enjoy that for sure. But for now I'm just gonna do a quick... Sorry about the dirty windows. I'm just gonna do a quick review video of my Ninjago district, which is finally done, 99% done. And I'm just gonna go through it and tell you a little bit about how I went about to do my Ninjago district. As you can see, it's based on a different level than the other two tables. It's a small river in between the two tables, which hosts the Ninjago district, and a couple of stone bridges connecting the buildings with the main land, if you could call it that. Just very simple build, but effective ones. You can pass through them with the smaller boats. I would love to add the Destiny's Bounty, but it won't fit, at least not on the back end, not in the front as well. I would have to expand even further, but that's out of the question. So, well, I covered the table with base plates, standard dark bluish gray base plates, and then I built my bridges in the back end for my beautiful trains to cross over the water. They are also very simple build, light bluish gray 2x4 bricks, mainly 2x8 as well, with some arches going across, just plates on top. They are very functional, perhaps not the most beautiful stuff in the city, but it's functional and it works. So, and then a few details around the bridges, the bridge base, with some plants and some greenery and some other small colored plates as well. And on the side down towards the water, I choose to go with the same pattern that I use for my train tunnels on the mountainside over there, as well as over here. I think I did a decent job to make it look nice. It's all about making things look nice in the LEGO city, I think. And by doing that, it allowed me to even up the levels, so it's flattened and nice all around. So it's looking kind of cool. And over there on the west side, I choose to add a few more green plates and make it yet another level. So I really love the Ninjago city set. I think it's an excellent building. It was a fun build as well. And the Ninjago City Docks was actually the first set I got in the series, which made me fall in love with all kinds of Ninjago. I think it's an excellent addition to any Lego city, and my city really needed it. I use mainly official modular buildings and my own mocks as well, but they don't break the frames, if you could call it that. They are very standard. But then your eyes catches the Ninjago district, and it's something completely different, and I really enjoy the design and the architecture as well, all the colors, and it breaks up my Lego city really nice, I think. And when I got the Ninjago City Docks and the Ninjago City set, I instantly felt that I needed to match the intended water in the sets. I knew it was gonna be a costly thing to do, adding all these 1x2 transparent light bluish tiles, but something I really wanted to do, and I think it turned out really sharp. So money well spent, I think. It was kind of a drag to place them all though, but I got some help from my two boys. They are a really good help. So I actually covered all these base plates, all these dark bluish gray base plates with 2x8 black plates all around, and got them attached to each other so they are really safe and stable. And then I just kept adding these tiles, quite a few. Like I was planning on doing a count, but I'm glad I didn't. My wallet is weeping yet. So there you go, guys. That's my Ninjago district, and I think it turned out really cool. I'm happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. I always want to create unique stuff that I haven't seen anyone else do, and I guess that's the thing with Lego cities. You get inspired by other builders, but you still want to create unique stuff for your city. Unique stuff that brings viewers and comments your way. And that's the whole idea of my Ninjago district. Something unique, something fresh and cool. So I hope you guys enjoy that one. And now I'm gonna hit the snow, I think, play around a little bit, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a great Sunday. Bye.